Number 36. The diagram shows part of the nitrogen cycle. Which row shows the correct labels? So let's start with these words. Denitrification means it's the conversion of nitrate ions to nitrogen in atmosphere. So number 1 is the correct one. So the answer will be either C or D. Absorption means organisms or the environment sucking or absorbing the chemical substances. So in this case, it looks like nitrate ions are going into the plant. So I guess number 2 is the absorption. So we got the answer already. It's C, but let's have a look at the nitrification and nitrogen fixation as well. Nitrification means it's conversion of ammonium or ammonia to nitrite or nitrates. So 3 is the or refers to nitrification, and nitrogen fixation is conversion of nitrogen gas into the nitrates or proteins. Actually, I mean, it doesn't actually get converted into proteins straight away. It gets changed into nitrates first, and then it is used to make amino acids and then proteins, and then become part of the nitrogen in plants. Nitrogen fixation usually refers to the conversion of nitrogen to nitrates. So the answer is C.